Is there a reason to employ qualified horticulturists and interior plantscapers who know what they are doing? Behind me is a scenario where all of the plants would have been planted and they would have looked perfect, absolutely beautiful with the red aglaonomas and the spathiphyllums and the other plants. However, due to the situation, which is no direct light and probably the wrong type of lights, as you can see, those are not grow lights or bright enough to sustain good growth, the plants are not thriving. In fact, they're going backwards really, really fast. I'd probably give it another 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then all of these will look really bad. They've been broken, they're damaged, they're not being watered correctly. So if you're after a really good, iconic interior landscape design that's going to work, that's going to succeed, hire qualified horticulturists, utilize the services of the interior plantscape industry to get the best advice and a successful landscape that your clients will be happy with, but in your personal garden that you will be happy with. So choose wisely to get the right landscape design. By the way, I'm at the Brisbane airport. I'll probably get in trouble for taking this video inside the airport, but that's life. This is Paul Plant Horticulture. Cheers for now.